Is AI the end of human creativity? I don't think it is, but we've all seen these soulless posts on social media that are generated by AI and they shill AI, say it's democratizing creativity. My name is Jesper Bramsch and I have a PhD in machine learning and I've been working in the field of machine learning and AI for over 7 years. But I've been a content creator for 30. I'm a teacher here on Skillshare. I've taught over 10,000 people over the last years about machine learning, data science and AI. I like to think about AI in non-hype ways because I don't actually work on these language models. I predict the weather using AI. This is reflected in my content online. I'm a YouTube partner and I write a newsletter that is read by over 1,000 people every week about non-hype AI, about the fundamentals and the real understanding of this technology. With this, I would like to invite you on a journey through generative AI using ChatGPT and Midjourney, having a look at how they work, but also the limitations and realistic use cases, and explore how we can co-create with AI without losing that human touch.